Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Crystal Prime Medium by Crystal Group in Ghatkopar East. But before starting, let me explain you what are the points that we are going to be covering in this teaser. Project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. As you all can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office, and this project is bang on Eastern Express Highway, as you all can check. The left side takes you to Sobo, Chembur, and the right side takes you directly to Thane. Before moving ahead, let me introduce you to Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, hence leading to a lot of calls. But you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here, which connects you directly with the builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done directly by the developers and not by the brokers. So buy your dream home now with the builders directly on Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 3.3 acres with 3 towers with ground plus first floor mall and 1 to 25 of residential with configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK plus Jodi option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is bang on Eastern Express Highway near Cheda Nagar Signal, Ghatkopar East, with Ghatkopar station at a distance of 2.5 kilometers. Garodia Metro Station at a distance of 2 minutes, Chembur Railway Station at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometers. Talking about the amenities, it has 40 plus luxurious amenity including swimming pool with jacuzzi, a cricket turf, a full court of basketball and a massive clubhouse. Now talking about the carpet area, as I said, this project has 1, 2 and 3 BHK with 1 BHK ranging from 436 square feet to 458 square feet, with 2 BHK ranging from 666 square feet to 671 square feet and 3 BHK at 916 square feet. Let's talk about the booking process now. Our EOI window is now open where clients can come and visit the site, and our sales team will help you with the project details, will explain you the payment and pricing schemes and also show you the sample flat. Then if clients like the project, we can proceed with the EOI where the amount for 1 BHK is 25,000, 2 BHK is 45,000 and 3 BHK is just 51,000. So guys, this was the teaser of Crystal Prime Medium by Crystal Group in Ghatkopar East. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.